Okay, so you walk inside my room, you basically want to see the TV and then that dresser, but I'm gonna start off from this way, and you're gonna see my mirror that I got from Impressions Vanity. One of my light bulbs got broke. Very sad about that, but it's okay. So then we're gonna move over here to my bed. I'm gonna just have my purse, couple pillows, teddy bears. I got the teddy bear for my boo maybe 2 years ago. Then it's another one back there as well. I bought that one for myself. And then a little pillow for like when I want to sit up. Then my bag, my purse, my charger, my computer, and my phone. My bed came from this furniture store that I got that's like up the street from my house. It's called Wow Furniture. So now we're gonna move over here to this corner, and this is basically just a coat rack. I'm gonna have so many coats. That's why I have another coat rack, and they all can't fit in the closet, but I'm not gonna talk about the closet because my closet has so much stuff in it. It's kind of a mess, so yeah. So then over here in this corner, I just have my purses hanging from right there. I got that rack from, I believe, Family Dollar. It was probably like $2, I think. Or matter of fact, no, I got it from Dollar Tree. It was $1. So yeah, that came in handy. And then I have my big TV, and of course your girl Summer Walk is on. But I had to mute this because I don't want to get a copyright. And then there's my auntie, and I do play the game sometimes. I did this terrible thing because I tried to change my game to pink. Because my theme in my room was kind of like pink, so I'm like, yeah. But I'm going to take that off and fix that. Then I got some more games over there. My remotes. And then I got my Canada Goose coat. I'm sorry, coat. No, the box that my coat came in. Just sitting there. Then I got my suitcase and my luggage. Those are my luggage. Because I'm going out of town on Sunday. So that's why that's right there. Then my Uggs. And then we're gonna move over here, and then we just have my nieces and my nephew. They're so cute. And then we just have a picture of me, and then this jewelry box. I got that jewelry box from Amazon. I got this tray from these two trays from Amazon as well. And then I set all of my perfume on top of here, and I kind of need to get a new one because my perfume falls off of here, and I had ended up breaking one. Luckily, it wasn't one of my favorite perfumes. But yeah, I need to get a new one because I'm going to be devastated if one of these perfumes break. And then we move over here. Then I just got this little eyeglass holder thing. I get this from Amazon as well. And then back there I just got my bottle of 1942. Most of all these glasses came from Shein. So yeah. And this big, well, it's not ugly. I really want it to be white because the theme in my room is kind of, I was going for like white furniture, dresses, and things like that. But yeah, I got this thing from Amazon as well. I got the little cabinet, got the little locks on it, which is pretty cool. If I have something like valuable, I can just lock it up inside the drawer. And I need this drawer because I don't want to keep going to totes getting my things, although I still have totes, but this thing just came in handy or whatever. So now we're gonna move over to my favorite part of my room, which is this area. It is so pretty. I'm gonna start off with my big picture, which I got from collage.com, collegecollage.com, I believe. I forgot the sizes of the picture frame, but if you want to know, just comment down below on the video and I'll let you know. I got these teddy bears, my rose teddy bears, just sitting up here. Then I have these Gucci bags, that my Gucci boxes with the bag that my purse that came in the boxes, just sitting up there because I didn't know what to do with them. And then I'm gonna start up here. I got this long thing from Amazon. Both of those over there, I got them from Amazon. I just got my 2 iPhone case boxes sitting up there, and my MacBook box sitting up there with my Louis Vuitton bag. Then I got a Gucci box. I got my Chanel box with my Chanel jelly shoes inside. And then right here I just got my Gucci belt and the Bath and Body Works products. And then I just got my makeup, this was my makeup bag, then just a little Chanel box and garbage can over there. And then at the bottom, that's my case. I mean, that's my case, my camera thing. And then this is the mirror or whatever. Yeah, it's cute. I got this mirror from Precious Vanity as well. I just got this little mirror right here. It does need to be cleaned. Sorry guys, sorry doing my makeup. I got this from Amazon too. My makeup brushes. I got some hair oil, some face oil, Bath and Body Works candle, and I was drinking some cranberry juice and bottled water, and then another Bath and Body Works candle. And we're gonna move over here to this side, and I have my Louis Vuitton box up there that my bag came in. My Bath and Body Works, I mean, no, I'm saying Bath and Body Works. My Bond Number 9 boxes that my Bond Number 9 perfume came in. And then we have my Tiffany boxes and bags that my Tiffany jewelry came in. Then I have my seeing glasses, another pair of my seeing glasses. And then we're gonna move down here. And I just have my 2 cameras, my Pandora ring, and I think my Pandora jewelry, my what is it called? My bracelet is inside of there as well. I'm not gonna go through that, but I have my watch, my 2 Chanel brooches, and then I just have another Gucci box and a Sephora bag, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go through the dressers because I didn't tell you. So I got I made the dresser or whatever. As you can see, it's kind of falling apart, but that's okay. Yeah, it's kind of falling apart, but that's okay. I'm just gonna end up buying the dresser from Fashions Vanity or whatever. I mean, for me to make this, it was kind of cool or whatever. I did do a do-it-yourself video. If you guys want to check that out or whatever, just go ahead and watch it. And then I just have a bath towel with my little thing, that my stool that I sit there. And then that's just pretty much it with my little room. Not really much. So yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And let me know what you guys think about my little small room tour. And I'll talk to you guys later.